Navigate to TikTok settings in the Post-Uno platform to integrate your TikTok account. On the TikTok API settings page, you will input the client key and client secret from your TikTok developer app. Begin by connecting a new app in the TikTok developer portal. Select your app owner type, provide a recognizable app name, and click Confirm to proceed. In the TikTok developer portal, click on Sandbox mode and then select Create Sandbox. In TikTok's developer portal, you can view the client key and client secret under the Sandbox mode settings. Copy these credentials and use them for the TikTok integration. In the TikTok developer sandbox, add the necessary products by clicking plus Add Products under the Products section. In TikTok developer sandbox mode, click Add Products such as Login Kit. After selecting the necessary products, click Done to save your changes. In the TikTok API settings, copy the redirect URI. Paste the redirect URI TikTok Login Kit settings. In the TikTok developer portal, navigate to the Content Posting API settings. Ensure the Direct Post toggle is activated to allow direct posting of content to users' profiles. Then, go to the Scopes section and click Add Scopes to configure permissions for your app. After adding scopes, you can see the full list of granted permissions here. To verify the domain for TikTok integration, select the Domain option under the verification method and use the DNS record method to confirm your ownership of the domain.